Hi, my name is Amanda Rocha. I'm an estate planning and probate attorney in California, and today I want to talk to you about 3 reasons most people want an estate plan. Before I get into that, I want to give you my contact information. You can find me online on my website, www.amandarocalaw.com. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that, or you can find me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law. The reason that I'm going to talk to you about this today is because I have several recurring clients that come to me for the same reasons, and it's those reasons that I usually cite to people when they ask, why would I even need an estate plan? And there are 3 down and dirty quick reasons. Number 1, most people want to get an estate plan to protect their children. That is the main trigger. Most people don't even think about it when they're in their young 20s and unmarried. But as we know, the millennial generation is getting married a little bit later than our parents and grandparents did, having children a little bit later. And when you have a child, you usually think about protecting them. An estate plan is a wonderful tool to do that, not only for protecting them when you pass away, but during your lifetime if you become incapacitated. So that is the number 1 reason people contact me to create an estate plan. The number 2 reason is to avoid probate, which is a fantastic reason. It's a reason that every person, regardless of their marital status or regardless of whether or not they are a parent, should pay attention to. Probate is the court process in which your estate will have to go through in order for the contents to be released to the beneficiaries. It is really expensive, really long, and public. Not only that, but it's painful for people to go through all of your things and think about every little thing and instead of just grieving your passing. So avoiding probate is key. I can give you a very quick example about how much probate costs. If you have a $500,000 estate, it's going to cost you $28,000 to go through probate, and that does not include the costs for any creditors that they have to pay. That's just the baseline cost. So you could pay a couple $1,000s to get an estate plan to avoid that, or your estate can go through this long court process and then $28,000 plus will be taken out of that, less money for your beneficiaries. The number 3 down and dirty reason why most people want to get an estate plan, believe it or not, is to protect themselves in addition to their family. Most people don't think of an estate plan as something that happens during your life, but estate planning is not just death planning, it's life planning. Included in your estate plan are documents that protect you if you become incapacitated and will help provide for you and your dependents, if you have any, during your lifetime. So if you have a trust, your trustee will step in and take care of you with your trust property or your beneficiaries. If you don't have a trust and you're doing a will-based plan, then you will have a representative do the same thing. But you fill out documents so that you have someone who's in charge of your healthcare decision-making and someone who's in charge of your financial decisions and transactions during your lifetime if you are no longer able to do so, even if it's for a temporary period of time. So to recap, the 3 most common reasons, down and dirty, to get an estate plan are to protect your family, to avoid probate, and to protect yourself. If you have any questions, please contact me. You can find me on my website, www.amandarocalaw.com. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that, or you can find me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law. Thank you.